Model, 57-plate Renault Trafic SL27dCi 2.5 DCi 140 automatic pop-top camper conversion. Very nice slight issue. Body, blue, camper. Mileage, 94,885. MOT, the 23rd of November 2024. Engine, 2464 cc JLBJAH, 150. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Unfortunately, the automatic robotic arm has an issue with one of the solenoid. Simple repair. If you know what you're doing, definitely worth repairing. This is a bargain if you know what to do. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear camping area is very clean. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, reversing camera. The interior is perfect with fridge, freezer, bed, pop-top and perfect leisure battery. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.